world increasingly driven by technology, convenience often feels like the ultimate goal. We're told that life without human contact, relying on AI for everything, could be more efficient, more perfect. But a simple meme that I ran across captures a deeper truth. I don't want a life without human contact. It's a reminder that no matter how promising AI and automation seem, the essence of our humanity is rooted in connection. Today, we can order food through an app, take public transport with no staff, shop in supermarkets without cashiers, all designed to save time, effort, and, if we're honest, to save labor costs. But what do we sacrifice in the process? The warmth of a friendly conversation? The reassurance of human presence? The social bonds that keep communities strong? This focus on convenience can slowly erode the fabric of society, replacing genuine human interaction with screens and algorithms. An environment that, much like everything else in the behavioral sink, risks fostering social disconnection and alienation. Humans are social creatures. Our brains are wired for interaction, empathy, or at least sympathy, and community. When these are replaced by digital interfaces, we risk entering a kind of societal environmental overload, where social bonds weaken and loneliness becomes an epidemic. The meme underscores a vital truth. We need human contact to thrive, not just for emotional well-being, but for societal resilience. Because without genuine connection, societies will fragment. They will polarize. They will cause citizens to withdraw. Eventually, it leads to collapse, into chaos, much like the social breakdown observed in the behavioral sink experiments that I've talked a lot about. If we let convenience override connection, we are risking creating a society where people are physically isolated and emotionally disconnected. This isn't just about individual loneliness, it's about systemic fragility. When communities lack face-to-face interaction, trust will erode, empathy and sympathy will diminish, and social cohesion weakens. It makes societies more vulnerable to conflict, disorder, and collapse. The meme reminds us, no matter how promising AI feels, human contact is irreplaceable. The challenge, of course, is to balance technological progress with preserving our social fabric. We need to design systems and environments that prioritize human interaction, community spaces, shared experiences, like I've said so many times, face-to-face communication. All of that over mere convenience. Because a society that values human contact, that's a society that resists the behavioral sink. One where social bonds are strong enough to withstand stress and chaos. The meme's message is simple but profound. I don't want a life without human contact. In our pursuit of convenience and efficiency, let's not forget what makes us human, because at the end of the day, the connections we nurture, that's what's going to hold society together. And that's what's going to determine whether we survive or succumb to systemic disconnection. Choose connection, embrace humanity, and remember, no AI can replace the warmth of a genuine human smile at checkout. Okay, that's it. We're out of time once again. Thank you so much for stopping by. Feel free to leave a comment in the old comments section on your way out. If you found the content meaningful, please like, share, subscribe. You can even ring the little bell for notifications. Until next time, so long from the channel here at the end of the universe.